Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change profile picture in Slotomania. Customizing your profile makes the game feel more personal and fun, and it's a great way to stand out when playing with friends. First of all, launch the Slotomania app on your device, and from the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, click on the pencil button right above your profile picture on the left. Now, select a different profile picture you'd like to use for your profile. Once done, click on Save at the bottom left. Within a second, your profile picture or avatar will now change. Now your new profile picture will reflect in your home screen at the top left. If you want your own profile picture, then you can try logging in or linking in with Facebook on Slotomania, and it will take your Facebook's profile picture and put it on Slotomania profile picture as well. So that's how you easily change your avatar or profile picture in Slotomania. Now your account looks fresh and personalized. You are ready to show off to your friends and slot clubs. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick guides and gaming tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.